Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video we are going to do the unboxing of the MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. And without a further ado, let's get started. So let us just unbox the MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. I got the 16GB 256GB variant because it was one of the best deals which I received. Also I got the AirPods with this particular MacBook, and this is a killer deal, guys. Let me just open the seal and show you what's inside this particular box. And most of y'all must be asking me, in the comments below, saying that which one to get, whether to get the Air or whether to get the MacBook Pro. My simple suggestion would be, guys, just get the Air. It is more than enough for your daily task. Even the 8GB is more than suffice, and it is very powerful. I just got the 16GB variant because just for future proofing this, and I'll be editing a lot of videos with this, so that's main reason why I got this particular MacBook Pro. And removing this from the sleeves, always the Apple unboxing experience is great, guys, and you can just lift it with one hand, and as soon as you lift this particular MacBook Pro, the display, I mean to say, it just boots. And even the boot is very fast, and it is very light and thin machine which you can get, but the Air is slightly thinner, I believe, only at the tapering end. Otherwise it's almost the same weight. So let me just show you what's inside this particular box. So we get a nice type C to type C cable and some documentation, and this particular power brick which is having some 60 watt of charging, and it is charging very fast. As you can see, it is quite thin. Also you can just use this particular cable, I mean the brick, with this particular cable for charging all your devices like your phone, etc. And if you have an iPad, it is really good. And in the documentation, I guess we should be able to see some nice Apple stickers which you can stick at the back of your car or bikes and tell that you are really an Apple fanboy. So I got this particular variant in the space gray color, and I really like it. And this is one of the fastest MacBook which you can buy, and it is excellent for students and for coders. And you don't expect much to play something like games and all, because then this is not supporting those Windows I mean installations. Like you cannot install Windows on the M1 yet, and maybe in the future Apple might lock it and provide something with parallel, etc., which will help you to boot Windows on your Mac. And apart from the looks, it looks exactly like the older models. And the only difference between the Air and this is the fan, the bigger battery, the bigger charger, the trackpad, and you get studio quality mics and speakers. And there is no reason to pay the extra 30k just for getting the MacBook Pro, unless and until you are using this for a very long time. Like for example, your use case scenario is maybe from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you are just editing videos. In that particular case, guys, please get the Pro and not the Air. So for 99% of the people, MacBook Air with the M1 chip is more than enough. And this is something called as touch bar, and with the help of which you can readily have some nice shortcuts. So based on which app you all are using, again, this is only specific to the Pro, because you don't get the touch bar, this particular tiny little strip with the display on your Air. And this is one of the best features, I would say, of the Pro. And suppose you are playing a YouTube video, you can readily swipe and slide and just to a certain point. You don't need just to use your mouse for this. And even something like picture in picture mode is accessible with the touch of a button. And this is one of the cool features, I would say, with the Pro. Rest, the Air, I would say, is more than enough for most of the people, guys. Let me know in the comments below which one you all like, the Air or the Pro. I feel the performance also is sort of identical. Again, guys, I just don't want to turn this into whether to get the Air or the Pro. I just want to keep this as a basic unboxing video. And some cool features like just turning on or increasing your volume is very easy with the MacBook Pro, thanks to the touch bar. And even the touchpad, I feel it is much more better. Even I typed certain things with the keyboard, and it was really a breeze. In fact, the video which all are seeing right now, the unboxing, is actually edited on the MacBook Pro using Final Cut. and I would say the Final Cut is extra around 28,000 if you're buying it. And the build, finish and look and the quality of the Apple products are always great, and you can just lift the screen with one finger, and this is one of the best laptops you can buy till date, even from Apple. And the battery life is around 18 hours, I would say. On a heavy usage it might be less, and Apple claims around 20 hours of battery life, wireless web, I guess. And let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think about this M1 chip MacBook Pro, and let me know if you want to buy this particular MacBook. And do check out these awesome videos on our channel, also subscribe to our channel. And again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.